AI can already analyze X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and medical records with incredible speed. But does that mean doctors will become obsolete? Let's find out. Would you trust an AI to diagnose your illness? It sounds like science fiction, but it's already starting to happen. Today's AI can analyze X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and medical records. In some cases, it can detect patterns that are difficult for humans to spot. So, does that mean doctors will become obsolete? Not even close. Medicine isn't just about finding diseases, it's about understanding people. Doctors consider symptoms, medical history, emotions, lifestyle, and patient preferences. Then they make decisions in situations where there isn't always one perfect answer. AI can process massive amounts of medical data in seconds, but it can't replace empathy. It can't comfort a scared patient or help a family through a difficult diagnosis. The future of healthcare isn't AI versus doctors. It's AI helping doctors make faster, more informed decisions. Imagine every physician having an AI assistant that never sleeps, never forgets a medical paper, and instantly analyzes millions of data points. That's where we're headed, because the best doctor of the future may not be an AI. It may be a doctor empowered by AI.